Welcome back to my channel, The Purple Poncho. I'm Carolyn, and today I would like to show you how to make this very pretty stitch combination of Tunisian simple stitch and the twisted stitch. So let's get started. To begin, make a slip knot and place it on your hook. Chain 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rotate your chain to the back, skipping that first back bump here. The very first one is represented by the loop on your hook. So go into the next back bump, insert your hook, yarn over, and pull up a loop. Tighten that down a little bit to get this first stitch a little bit more even. Fixing the tension there. Going into the next back bump, yarn over, pull up a loop. And we're going to repeat this all the way across. Going in that back bump. And this is going to make a nice edge for us. Gives that nice V look on the bottom edge. See that? Okay, so I have 8 stitches on my hook at the same time, and to return, yarn over, pull through 1, makes a chain, and yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and repeat this all the way across until we have 1 loop left on our hook. So that's row 1, that's our foundation row. Now to make the twisted stitch, we're going to begin by going into the next stitch and pulling up a loop. That's a simple stitch. Go in the next stitch, just kind of loosen it up a little bit, and take out your hook. Then we're going to twist it towards our hook or towards the right, and using my index finger, I'm going to insert my hook going from left to right, yarn over, and pull up a loop. And it twists the stitch in the direction that we've rotated it, and it makes that nice V. Make another one. Start off with a simple stitch. Insert your hook, take it out, rotate it towards your hook, insert your hook from left to right, yarn over, and pull up a loop. Make another one. Start with a simple stitch, insert your hook, take it out, twist your stitch towards your hook, using my index finger, kind of help it in there, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. On the end, go through both loops on the side, yarn over and pull, went through too many loops, yarn over, pull up a loop. Okay, so that's how it's looking. To return, yarn over, pull through 1, makes a chain, yarn over, pull through 2. The return pass is the same on this stitch that I'm showing you, till you have 1 loop on your hook. So to make your next row, we're just going to repeat exactly what we just did. It's a 1 row repeat. So we're going to do a simple stitch and a twisted stitch. Simple and twisted. Simple and twisted. Insert your hook on the end, yarn over, pull up a loop. Return, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Now to change colors, I'm going to leave that last stitch on there, 2 stitches, and you can make a slip knot at this point or not. It's up to you. And put the slip knot on your hook and pull that through. So now I've just changed colors. So I'm going to let these kind of go to the back. So to make another row, you just continue with your new color. Yarn over, do a simple stitch, and twisted stitch. Insert in the next stitch, Tunisian simple, and twisted. Simple, twisted. Going through both on the edge, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now return. So that's how you change colors. And then to change back, you can, depending on how many rows you're going to do, you can either end off your other color and then add it again later, or if you're going to change colors often, then you would return pass until you have 2 loops left, and then put your color back on. Tighten that one down a little bit. Continue on with your new color. So now I would like to show you how to bind off. We're going to bind off in pattern. So Tunisian simple stitch, and then slip stitch. Tunisian twisted stitch, and slip stitch. Simple, and then slip it. Twisted, and slip. Simple, slip, twisted, and slip. On the end, go through both as usual, yarn over, pull up a loop, and slip stitch. And then you can end off your yarn. And that closes up the row before and finishes it off with a V-stitch on the front or on the top, along with one on the bottom. Here's an example of one of the spa cloths that uses this stitch. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial on how to make this beautiful stitch. I'd love for you to hit subscribe and the notification bell to get notified of new videos coming to my channel. Thank you for being here, and thank you for crocheting with me. Have a great day.